Welcome to Kwon's Corner. Today, I'm gonna teach you how to make Chamchi Mayo Deopbap, which is tuna mayo rice. Let's get started. Today we're gonna make Chamchi Mayo Deopbap, which is tuna mayo rice. You can find this dish anywhere in Korea. This dish is really popular. So to get started, we need an onion. Slice it into half and slice thinly. And put to the side. For the other half, slice off 1/4 and slice thinly. And slice thinly one more time. And put to the side. Next, we need a canned tuna. Open up the can, but just open half of it. We're gonna drain all the tuna oil. I'm gonna drain it and come back. After you drain all the oil, dump it into a bowl. And we're gonna add the diced onion and a little bit of pepper and a little bit of salt and 2.5 tablespoons of mayo. 2.5 and mix well. By the way, when I was young, I used to go to PC room with my bro, and I usually get the chicken mayo rice, and my brother always get the chamchi mayo rice. It's one of his favorite food. My bro loves tuna mayo flavor. He always gets tuna mayo onigiri and tuna mayo gimbap, tuna mayo rice. He loves tuna mayo. I wish he's here. After you mix well, put to the side. Now we need 2 eggs. Crack the egg and add a little bit of salt and mix well. Get a pan and turn your stove on high heat and add some canola oil or any vegetable oil will work. Once the pan is heated, turn your stove to medium. Pour the egg into the pot and keep mixing it. We're gonna make a scrambled egg. Once your egg is fully cooked, turn your stove off. Put the egg into the bowl. Get a pot again and turn your stove on medium high. And add some vegetable oil. Once the pan is heated, add your onions. We're gonna cook it until the onions get soft. Once the onion is soft and caramelized, we're gonna add 2 tablespoons of soy sauce and 2 tablespoons of mirin and 2 tablespoons of corn syrup. And mix well. After cooking for 1 to 2 minutes, when the onion absorbs all the sauce, we are gonna put it into a bowl. Get a bowl and put the rice in the middle of the bowl. And we're gonna add scrambled eggs on top of the rice. On top of that, we're gonna add the onions. Get your mayo and put it into a plastic bag. And we're gonna poke it to make a hole. And make a stripe. Ooh, I'm having so much fun. On top of that, we're adding our tuna. And on top of that, get some seaweed. That's it. Our tuna mayo rice is all ready to eat.
Hello, I'm Kwon's girlfriend. I'll be trying the food today because Kwon hates tuna actually, but he lost the audio, so I'm just gonna narrate. The tuna mayo deopbap was a lot better than I expected. It was my first time having it. When I saw him putting so much mayo, I thought it'd be really gross, but actually it tasted really creamy, and caramelized onions made it taste really fancy, like a French onion soup. Oh my god, the looking. Or like an Italian risotto. definitely recommend it. Bye-bye!
If you like this episode, please hit subscribe and the like button. And if you want to see more video, it's over there and over there. And if you have any requests, please comment down below. I'll make sure to cover it in a future episode. See you next week. 안녕!